Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about the link between drinking hot coffee and an increased risk of esophageal cancer. For years, coffee has been a staple for many people around the world. It is enjoyed in various forms, hot or cold, and can give a much-needed boost to start the day. However, recent studies have suggested that drinking hot coffee may have adverse effects on our health. According to the International Agency for Research on Cancer IARC, drinking any beverage at temperatures above 65 degrees Celsius can lead to an increased risk of esophageal cancer. This is because the high temperature of the beverage can damage the lining of the esophagus, leading to inflammation and an increased risk of cancer. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects the throat to the stomach. When we swallow food or drink, it travels down the esophagus and into the stomach. The lining of the esophagus is thin and sensitive, and repeated exposure to hot temperatures can damage it over time. A study conducted by the American Cancer Society found that people who drank very hot beverages, such as coffee or tea, had an 8-fold increased risk of developing esophageal cancer compared to those who drank cooler beverages. Another study conducted in China found that drinking hot tea increased the risk of esophageal cancer by more than 5 times. In conclusion, while coffee has many health benefits, drinking it at extremely high temperatures can be harmful to our health. To reduce the risk of esophageal cancer, it is recommended to let hot beverages cool down before drinking them. So, let's be mindful of the temperature of our coffee and tea, and take steps to protect our health. That's it for today's video. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Thank you for watching.